Hey guys, so yes, here's a quick fun way to turn $69, average price $69 into a couple of thousand. If you've only got $69 to spare, you might want to do this and then try and turn it into up to three or more than 3,000. I've seen it's to do with buying domain names and then selling them. Now I've seen people selling their domain names for up to 100,000. So what do you want to do, guys, is go to a website called Just Dropped. See there? Just Dropped. Okay, click the buy link and complete the payment. Now what you can do here is just scan through. Here's a list of all the domains for sale on this Just Dropped. Now the average one is 69. There are more expensive ones. The more expensive ones mean you're going to get more for them usually. Now what you're aiming for when buying these guys is you want to get a domain preferably that ends in .com, and you want to get a short name, 5 to 7 letters. If you look, most of the most successful businesses around the world, like Apple and Facebook and Twitter and etc., etc., they've all got, Nike. They've all got short names, and so have a look through these. Now another thing you can do, you can sign up for their sign up for their newsletter, and what they'll do is 11 o'clock, I'm in New Zealand, so 11 o'clock here every day, every night, they send a list of the latest ones that have dropped, and so you can check them as they turn up. So I'm just having a quick scan through here, and you can see that each one is 69. Now you might wonder, well, who would buy these? Basically who buys these is businesses that want a catchy logo and brand design, basically. Now to add a sort of another, where you're going to get the big price, how you're going to make that big price is you will go to Fiverr. I suppose most of you guys know about Fiverr.com. It's people put their services for offer on this, and so you can go to Fiverr, sign up on Fiverr, get someone to create a logo for you. Okay, now these ones, like there's one you can get for $38. You can also go on another site called People Per Hour, I think it is, People Per Hour, and probably get them even cheaper. Someone can create a logo for you for probably $5 to $10. But if you've got something like $38, a unique business logo, and you've got your domain name, you create a logo. So what you have is a business logo domain, and then you'll go on to this website here called Brandpa, like Grandpa, but brand as in brand of shoes, etc., brand of business brand, Brandpa. Now look, guys, look at this. See that one there, Chick Choice. That is selling for $2,400, and that's all it is. Look at that, $2,400. Okay, let's have a look at the domains they've got. I'll definitely be doing this. Now you can choose from whatever you want there. So let's go and have a look at healthcare. Okay, what have they got? What are the domains available for healthcare? Look at the prices, guys. Look at the prices. Look at that. $7,000, $2,000, $4,000, $2,000, $4,000, $3,000, $4,000. Now, another thing you do, once you do this, right, it's just like anything else. To start off, put up, say you want $2,000 for your domain name and logo. Put 3,000, and then you've got some negotiating rooms. Just like when you're selling your car or whatever. Okay, so there you go. Look at that. I mean, these are just, there's nothing outstanding about these guys. But why people, look at that. Look. Can you see that? $14,000. And to me, well, you might say, who would pay $14,000? There are a lot of people that would pay for that if it suits their business. Now, people haven't got time, usually, to create a whole name and logo for their business. So it's time. Saves time. Okay, now I got these ideas of because I always like to give a shout out to people that I've got these ideas from. I got these ideas from Franklin Hatchett. If you don't know Franklin Hatchett, go and show him some love over on his channel. I think it's just called, his channel is just called Franklin Hatchett. He's got some really good stuff. He's a fellow New Zealander, but he seems really honest. He's and very helpful. So this is where I got these ideas from. But I mean, look at this. Look at that. Fitzy, $8,000, guys. Oldless. I mean, that's pretty cool and simple. I will definitely be doing this in the future. I've just found out about it. Look at this. Okay? So, now you know that. Let's go back to here. And, if you... See, that one there would be Tifio.com. Excuse me. That's quite a good one. Wuru.com. But let's have a scan through these and see what sort of, you want something between 5 and 7 letters once again. You can see that a lot of the short lettered ones have actually gone. If you, but if you see ones that you think would be good, like for instance, I see a couple here, Utter Insanities. That's a bit more expensive, right? But this one here, I can see how that might be popular. sextherapyformen.com, even though it's quite a long title. $69. They're made on the spot. So you get the picture. So what you do is you come here, you buy this. Zippy Shippy. That's quite good. You want one preferably that's .com. Okay. And it depends what your what your website's about, or what you're into. What the people that they're that are after. You never know what anybody's going to be after, but one thing you can be sure of is that people usually do like short names. Okay. So what's that? Is that all there is? I want to see more of my great names. Click here. That's all I've got. So yeah, you get your domain name. You buy that. Then you come on to Fiverr, or there's one called People Per Hour. I'll actually I'll just quickly, if I can. People per hour. People per hour. People per hour. They're another website like Fiverr. Fiverr's more well known, I think. People per hour. It's for freelancers, for creating designs and creating whatever, writing, blogs, ebooks, everything. Okay, here it is, people per hour. Let's go with logos. So this is people per hour, guys. You know, if you hopefully people per the logos on people per hour. Yep, look at this, guys. Okay, look at this. That person will create a professional logo for $15, guys. $15. Now, what you could also do, another thing you can do, which is, you know, I'll branch off into another thing that you could do, which I'll be getting onto as soon as possible too. What you could get a logo design here, right, for 15, and then go and sell it on Fiverr for whatever, 62, 38. Okay, so that's another thing you can do. So you go on to Just Dropped. Here's some more ones, more. Oh, so this doesn't seem to turn the page. But anyway, oh yep, no, it's got some more ones here. More. Just a quick squeeze. You notice that there are not many short titled ones. Smump. And don't forget to sign up, Wax My Hair. See, that would be quite a good one. And it's pretty much up to you, really. I mean, you don't have to stick to the short titled one, but you know, if you think it's a real good one, regardless of how long it is, you know, a one-off one that would be very popular, then go for it. But okay, so excuse me, the average price is $69, okay? So $69, then you buy that, then you go on to people per hour, and you get a logo made for $15, so that's 70 and 15. It's cost you $85 all up. Then you go to Brandpar, and you sell your design on here. I'd say the average price here looks about 3,000, right? So you put 3,000 on your one, and what profit have you made there? It costs you all up 70 and 15, 85. You've made a profit of, if you get 3,000, even if you get 2,000, let's say, you know, put it on for 3, you get 2,000. You've still made a profit of 1,825, I think. Is it? Or 900? Yeah, 925, sorry. So there you go. So I'll quickly go over it. Just go up here to Just Dropped, okay? Sign up. Don't forget to join their newsletter, so they send you the new domains that have just come in, so you can be there right when they drop. Djibouti. That's a quite cool one. Lovable Cakes. So I think that would be quite good. So you come here, you buy that, guys. Then you get a logo done from people per hour here. $10, 15, yeah, 20. Look at this, $10, 15, 10. Okay, so that's $10, and then you go on to Brandpar and put your design up there and sell it for whatever you want. Now, I wish I could, okay, hold on. I'll add another, I'm sort of thinking on the spot here. If you want to know the average value of what you know, try something, go to, this will help you as well, go to GoDaddy. GoDaddy Domains, is it? Search for buy domain. GoDaddy has got a just can't. GoDaddy. GoDaddy domain appraisal. Let's have a look. Because GoDaddy will tell you how much. Let's go on this. How much your domain is grab your. I don't think this is it. I wish I could find it so I can show you guys. Okay, let's have a look. Hold on. Just dropped. Copy link. Put it in here. Instead, see. This might not work out, guys. I'll paste. Oops. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. I don't think I've got the right. Oh. So there's that one. Well, it's great. No, see, this is it. This is it. So this particular one, there's a name and browser high value keywords. Average sale they're telling you that, see that name browse.com? Name and browser high value keywords with an average sale price of 2,600, okay? So that should help you. Let's go back and go here. So you see what I mean now. So there, you can go to GoDaddy and they will do you. There's actually a better one, but I just can't find it at the moment. But you can put it in there. There's actually a better one. Let's have a look. No, that's not it. Domains. Find a domain, name extensions, name, domain name generator, domain investor tools, domain. Here we go. Domain value appraisal. Here it is. Okay, guys. It's in the beta. Now this will tell you. Let's try this out. What do we got? Blog. Let's try that. Creating your day. Okay. Creating your day.com. Now hopefully this will see go value. See there? So what you need for this is GoDaddy.com domain value appraisal. GoDaddy.com domain value appraisal. You might want to do this obviously before you check in and buy one here. You might want to check on this GoDaddy domain value appraisal. Okay, but let's check this out and see what it comes up with. Look at that, guys. Near estimation, the value of that domain is $1,336 US. Okay. It's available. Okay. Comparable domains sold. Inspire Your Day. Look at that. Oh my God. Make Your Day. Sold for $17,000. Holy moly. Okay. Wow. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a short name, see. I would probably go ahead and buy that one. Creating Your Day. Because look at this. Make Your Day's gone. Inspire Your Day's gone. Spark Your Day's gone. Creating Your Day, it's only a matter of time for that goes. You could put that on for $2,000. Easy. No problem. So there, hopefully it's been a helpful, guys. Sign up with these people, buy a domain, check it first through this, GoDaddy domain value appraisal, see what it's worth, and then go on to Fiverr, or these ones are cheaper. You'll get a professional logo done for $10. Combine that with your brand, okay, with your domain name. Put your domain name on there, and then put it up on BrandPar and sell it for whatever you want.